BTS 2020 Exhibitor Guide. Paste your exhibitor's code here and log in. Once you log in, click on the logo placeholder on the top to be able to upload your logo. Once you select your logo, it gets uploaded, and on the right top you get a success message for the same. Next, click on Create My Virtual Booth. You get the options of selecting a design. Select a design, proceed, and you will land to the backend tool where you can add any number of images onto your booth. You can always choose to go with the recommended design. You can resize any particular image diagonally to maintain the proportion, or you can also change the proportion and fit it to the banner placeholders. Similarly, you can add logos to the booth just like this. You can choose to add more images as per your requirement within the frame. While adding an image, you need to make sure that your image remains within the gray outline given on the side of the booth so that it remains intact and does not get cropped. From there, if you want to add text to your booth, please select Add Custom Text and type the text that you want. You can always resize the text again by selecting the side panel. You can change the color of it by selecting a color and then clicking back on the text name for it to be selected there. Once you are done with the stall setup, click on Save, select a background that you want for your stall and click on Confirm. Your virtual booth is ready and uploaded to your front end panel. From there, click on Add Stall Details to add all the other details of the company, to create a business card for people to pick up the business card. While adding the social links, make sure to use HTTP or HTTPS at the start of the link so that the link is openable. After that, click on WhatsApp to enter your WhatsApp number on which the visitors can contact you. Please do not forget to put your country code without plus sign at the start of the WhatsApp number. From there is an About segment where you can choose to add all the details about your company or products and save it for it to reflect in the front end for all the visitors. Just like this. Once you have saved that, on the right side you can choose to add your website detail. Again, please do not forget to put HTTPS or HTTP with your website detail and click on Save for it to be saved. From there, you can add brochures or exhibits to your booth by putting a file name, a description again for the visitors to see as a shortcut, and then selecting a file based on the dimension that is given, that is 10 MB per file size, and then saving it for it to be saved for the visitors to see it. Similarly, to add videos, please click on the video add button and select a YouTube link to be added there, and your video is added. On the left top is adding representatives or people who would be taking or manning the stall during the event day. Fill up all the details as mentioned here in the form. Once you fill it up, scroll down and save the same for it to be saved to the backend. There is an exhibitor's code that is, or the registration code for this particular person which is generated, through which they will be able to log in into the front end panel.